Hello everyone, welcome to all of you, the student of class 11th. Just you are watching Blue Star Academy for English. This is my channel name and I request to all of you, if you like my video then please comment, share and subscribe to the channel for getting the regular video. Right? Okay student, today I am going to start the very important chapter that is very difficult for all the students, that they feel very difficult while attempting the examination. Right? Today our topic is Silk Road, the very important topic. As you know that the writer of Silk Road is Nick Middleton. Or firstly I want to introduce about this chapter Nick Middleton. Nick Middleton is just like a protagonist, or you can say he is the hero of the chapter. The entire story revolves around him. This story is about a journey made by Nick Middleton from Ragu to Mount Kailash. Right? So Nick Middleton just decided to complete his Kora from Ragu to Mount Kailash. This was his great ambition of his life. So she starts his visit or his journey. During his journey, Lamu just shepherd gave him a long sleeve sheep skin coat. That's why he could protect himself from the lots of cold, because he was going to for the journey of a mountain area. There are few characters in this chapter in Silk Road. First one, Sita, because the writer wanted to complete his Kora, that's why he needed a driver. So Sita was a driver, or he also had a guide. His name was Daniel. That means there were three peoples that started the journey. The first one is Nick Middleton, second one Sitam, and third one Daniel, who was a guide. So all the journey was dependent on the driver, whose name was Sitam. Sitam was very expert in mountain area. That's why he decided to take a shortcut path from the southwest, that was direct route to the Mount Kailash. That's why Sitam followed that path. Or during this kind of journey, as you know that in mountain area there is lots of cold, there is lots of ice, there is lots of water. Atmosphere is not suitable for the human being. So Sitam had to face lots of problem, but he was very expert. That's why he hadn't any kind of problem in facing such obstructions in the path in his journey. Or these three people just crossed few gazelles. Like that means during his journey he saw a herd of wild asses and also a shepherd which were moving very fast in their flocks with their groups. Or he had a lots of view during his journey. During his journey, he also met with nomads. Those were people, those who were residing in the forest area or mountain area. He also saw that mastiff dogs. Who were mastiff dogs? Mastiff dogs are very popular in China because they were just the beautification of many famous palaces. Or those mastiff dogs were very dangerous. Or when Sitan was driving his car, those mastiffs or strong or dangerous dogs were just running away after his car. After some time, when they were at 5210 meter above the sea level, there was lots of snow or journey was becoming more and more difficult or Sitan was facing lots of problem or even writer Middleton also faced congestion problem. That means there was problem in respiratory system. Sitan regularly was cleaning the snow and was resuming his journey. When they were at 5,515 meters above the sea level, the fuel tank just hissed and petrol was coming out. That means the petrol was expanding due to low atmospheric pressure. So immediately Sitan warned author that please don't smoke here because it can get a fire. At 2 p.m. in the afternoon, all the three stopped for lunch at there is a place that is called Hor, Hor. Here, the guide, whose name was Daniel, because he had to attend other pilgrimage also. So he he got up from the car and he decided to move to Lhasa, where they started from their journey. Now there were two people only, the author and second one Shitain. During his journey, he completed lots of time or at night at 10:30 p.m. they stopped at a guest house in Darjan. Darjan is a place just the below of Mount Kailash area. So just writer wanted to spend the time there. The writer felt lots of problem or he had nose congestion also due to regularly change in the atmosphere because there was cold over there. Shitan was also very disturbed due to bad health of the writer. So Shitan just decided that he would carry the writer to a medical college or where the writer got a 5-day course medicine packed in a brown envelope that were not tested, but Middleton had to take that medicine and after 5 days he got well, he perfected in health. When author recovered his health, then Sitan decided to left him because he had also guessed. He wanted to return from there. So he also returned from there. Only there was a time when writer was alone at Darjan or he was staying in a guest house or he was enjoying, he was having a cup of tea also. There was a person whose name was a Norbu who was a Tibetan who was working in a visit at the Institute of Ethnic Literature of Chinese Academy for Social Sciences. He had also a dream to complete the Kora for Mount Kailash. Kora that means just like a pilgrimage. He also came to Darchan to complete Kora, but he did not complete because he was a fat person. His body was very heavy, so this was very difficult for him to carry out his journey. So he left his decision, or he hoped so that he would stay at Darchan, or he would watch the other pilgrims, but he would not again decide to complete the Kora. But after meeting with Norbu, the writer Middleton again decided to complete his Kora with him because that was the only person with the writer. So that's why he had yaks to carry them luggage. So the writer arranged all the things for himself and the Norbu, but Norbu did not prepare for that. And Norway immediately laughed in a very hilarious way. And he also said that I am not ready to go because this is not possible for me to complete this Quora. Okay, so this was the summary of Silk Road. Student, I hope so. My video will be liked by you. I request to all of you, please comment and share and subscribe the channel. Thank